Ladies and gentlemen, I got this SG for about $20. It had no pickups. It had no posts, no bridge posts or tailpiece posts, no knobs. It had everything else. And, I'm pretty poor right now, so I figured I would take this whole thing I've been storing and find some parts in my parts bin and put it together. See if I can make a little bit of change to help get me through the holidays. I'm sure everybody knows how it is. So going through the parts, I got these bridge posts that I found in my parts drawer that I am pretty sure came off of a Epiphone Les Paul special. I have some tail posts that are unfortunately gold, but I know I have a set of silver ones, so these will be temporary. I'm sure I can find the silver ones here soon. This tail piece actually came off of an Ibanez GAX 70. I have this bridge. I could have used the bridge from the GAX 70, but I had this roller bridge just kind of lying around in my parts drawer, so I'm going to use that. I have some knobs from the GAX 70. Not some knobs from the GAX 70. That's the cat again. That's standard Gibson speed knobs. And I have some interesting pickups. These are some aftermarket, super aftermarket, like cheapo pickups that are so aftermarket. I have no idea where I got them, but I'm interested to see if they work. So I'm going to put these together and get this guitar set up, see how it sounds, how it plays, and if I can make a little bit of money at it. know sometimes you do things just to get some quick cash, especially when you're in this guitar business. This guy is ready for sale. Actually, I got a couple little screws to put into it, but I already have a bunch of interested parties, so it's going to move pretty quick. Not going to say I'm going to make much money off of it. Maybe $5 after I consider the parts, but part equity is not as valuable to me as getting the money I need to move on to the next project. So that's what this was all about. Nice hanging with you guys again. Hopefully I'll see you soon, and hopefully you enjoy this weird looking, kind of cool, somewhat gothic little SG special. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'll see you next time.